Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how do you do quick login on Roblox Mobile. To do a quick login on Roblox Mobile, you simply need to follow these steps. So first thing what you have to do is make sure that the Roblox application is installed to your device. So head over to your respective app store, and on the search box you simply want to type in Roblox. When you locate Roblox, you want to click on the install button and install it. So after you're done installing it, what you need to do is you would go ahead and click on the open button or log into your account. And then what next you have to do is you click on the more button right over here, and then you simply want to click on quick sign in. After you do it, so you'll be able to see a code onto the other device, and once you have entered the code, you'll then be able to log into your account. Now let's consider that this is not the device that you want to quick login or quick sign in at the first. Then you simply need to go to the sign in page, and there you could find a quick login or sign in section. Then you could do it. So that is the way you could actually go ahead and do a quick login on Roblox Mobile. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.